Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got these two little guys here with me, beautiful, beautiful knives. These are two Small NIrvana 3.0 by Peter Rassenti. Two custom knives, really, really beautiful, guys. Really, really nice. Gorgeously designed and stunningly made. These are both 7-inch long when open, with a 4-inch long handle and a 3-inch long blade. They're very similar, of course, just little finish differences here. This one has a mokutai, pretty cool mokutai collar, and this one has a zirconium collar. Both have domed pivot. This handle over here is just stone washed, like pretty nicely, matching clip, of course. And this one has more like a bead blast finish with these pretty cool ridges going on over here, and it's a little bit more shiny. They're of course identical in size and weight. They are simply two stunning options. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.